Hey guys, in this video we're gonna go over how to not get limited on PrizePicks. For example, like this. So, okay, PrizePicks monitors accounts carefully for behavior that looks like a professional or automated play. There's no legal or ethical way to bypass the limits, but there are legitimate ways to reduce your chances of getting restricted so you can play longer without any issues. So first, what you can, do is don't always play the same stake amount or number of picks. Just vary your entry patterns. Mix the 2 pick flexes, the 3 pick powers, things like that. Avoid repeating, the identical combinations every day. That's a big flag. And avoid also copy paste or bot like behavior. When you submit identical lineups at precise times, for example, always 2 minutes before a tip off, that can look automated, even though I know you're probably not doing that, but it's what it looks like to the system. So manually tweak your timing and picks. Act like a normal user, not a data script. Okay, and use realistic entry sizes. Start small, $5, $25 entries, and gradually increase it. That is much safer. If you go straight from $10 to $1,000 entries overnight, that can trigger a review, you know? But otherwise, if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to App Mentor.